Imagine this. You walk into your doctor's office for a regular checkup. You feel fine. Not great, not terrible, just fine. But as they test your grip strength, balance, leg response, and heart rhythm, the doctor suddenly says something that makes your stomach freeze. Your body is under stress. The kind you don't feel until it's too late. Most people over 50 have silent problems building inside their muscles. Joints, circulation, sleep cycle, and memory, and they don't even know it. Today, we're going to run a different kind of stress test. One inspired by the idea that actors face extreme physical and emotional pressure during filming, but seniors face their own version of stress every single day. This isn't a video about fighting aging. This is a video about taking back control before hidden problems turn into lifelong struggles. And the best part? You can fix most of them with simple steps, natural remedies, and daily habits that take less than 5 minutes. Here's the truth. After age 50, your body changes faster than you notice. Not because you're weak, but because the systems that kept you strong, balanced, and energetic start slowing down without warning. Muscle loss begins to steal your strength. Circulation slows, causing leg pain and cold feet. Inflammation stiffens your joints every morning. Sleep becomes lighter, shorter, and less healing. And your memory quietly becomes more fragile. That's why today's stress test is not about fear. It's about early detection and simple fixes. Because when you do the right things before it's too late, you can stop unnecessary leg pain, nighttime cramps, memory fog, daytime fatigue, and joint stiffness. And in their place, you can gain stronger legs, a sharper memory, deeper sleep, better balance, and more independence and confidence. Most seniors are never told this. Small problems become big problems because no one notices the early signs. Today we change that. We're about to run through the hidden tests that reveal how stressed your body really is. These are not blood tests, not scans, not expensive medical procedures. These are simple at-home tests that detect muscle loss, joint weakness, poor circulation, heart stress, sleep disruption, and memory strain. And most importantly, how to fix each problem naturally with a step-by-step plan. So let us begin with the first one, the test that predicts aging speed better than almost anything else. The first hidden stress test is the one-leg stand. Stand near a wall or a sturdy chair for safety. Lift one foot just 1 inch off the ground. Now try to hold it. If you can't hold this position for at least 10 seconds, your body is signaling a few things: weakened leg muscles, reduced balance, slower nerve response, and a higher risk of falling. But the fix is incredibly simple. Practice this test daily. Start with just 5 seconds. Then build up to 7, then 10. As you do, your balance will improve, your leg strength will return, and that crucial brain-to-body connection becomes sharper. Small tests reveal big truths, and small habits can reverse them. Now for the second hidden stress test, the stair-step check. Find a staircase or even just a sturdy step stool. Place one foot on the step and try to lift your body upward without using your hands or any momentum. If this movement feels unusually hard, if your knee wobbles, if your thigh shakes, or if you feel pressure behind your knee or in your lower back, your body is telling you something important. Your major leg muscles, the quads and glutes, are losing strength faster than normal. This is the #1 cause of difficulty walking long distances, knee pain, and dangerous falls. But the good news is you can rebuild that strength faster than you think. The fix is to do 10 slow step-ups daily on each leg. Go up with control, not speed. Pause for 3 seconds at the top, then step down slowly. This single exercise improves muscle strength, circulation, joint stability, and lower back support. In just 3 weeks, most people notice smoother walking, reduced knee pain, and more confidence climbing stairs. Finally, let's do the third hidden stress test, the circulation check. Sit comfortably in a chair. Lift your legs straight out in front of you and hold them there for 5 seconds. Now, look at your feet. Do they turn pale? Do your toes tingle? When you lower your legs, do they feel heavy? Do your feet get cold easily? You may be experiencing reduced blood circulation, a silent issue that affects millions over 50. Poor circulation leads to nighttime leg cramps, sharp calf pain, and slow healing. Most people ignore these signs, but your feet don't lie. The fix is a simple move called the toe pump circulation booster. You can do this lying down or sitting. Just lift your feet slightly, point your toes forward as far as you can, then flex them back toward you. Repeat this 20 times. This simple motion activates your calf muscle, which acts like a second heart for your body, pumping blood from your legs back toward your actual heart. Do it twice a day, and your legs will start to feel lighter, warmer, and much more energized. These are just the first 3 tests, but they show you how much power you have. We have more tips to share, so subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.